Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another week, another hair video. So this week, I think it's been 5 days since I washed my hair. I want to say 5 days, probably 7 days since I washed my hair. When I wash my hair, I basically put it in twists, as you can see, and it's been in twists for those days. Yeah, it's technically wash day. I still wash my hair every week despite not posting it. I used to be good at posting every week or 2 weeks when I wash my hair, but your girl's a full-time, like she's a full-time girly. I literally have 1 day in a week off. I go to clinicals 2 times in a week. I drive 2 hours to get there, sleep over there, and then come back the next day. I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 12-hour shifts in the hospital. So that's a new contract I took, and it's night shift. I'm doing a lot. I don't know why I decided to do that, especially in winter. That's why you've not been seeing a lot of the consistent posting on here, because I have the videos. I do the videos like this, and I have no one to edit it for me because I do my editing and everything else, so it's a lot. Guess what? Curlsqueen. We have another gift from them. Happy December, everyone. But yeah, Curlsqueen sent us a package, and you know I love their product. I really do. Time they sent me the clip-ins, I did love it. Definitely a banger if you need something for the winter. This package they sent this silk bonnet. I don't know where my old one is, but thank you. It comes with a comb, and then the sateen bonnet, extra clip-ins in case you wanted to sew more on the hair. All right, so per usual, even when I get wigs, it's a thin now, like I have to wash it. So I'm gonna wash it with some shampoo, just moisturizing shampoo to keep the hair soft, I think. But it comes in the bag. I took it out already, but it comes in the bag. That's what we got. I think this is the Kinky Coily one. I think 4B, 4C, if I'm not mistaken. I'll verify and put that on there, but that is what we got. It kind of looks like my hair. My actual head on my head. Okay guys, this is how it looks coming out of the package. Okay, we're tough. We're in here. Alright, I'm gonna wash it like this. Don't take this thing off. It's already secured. I wouldn't recommend you take it off so you don't make a mess, because it does puffs up. So I'm gonna say you wash it like this, and then you can separate it and dry it out to make it easy for the drying process. We're going to wash it in my sink because I did leg day today and I'm not bending over on my bathtub. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna be using, guys, calm down. I'm gonna be using actually the clarifying shampoo I have. My black is beautiful. I have this Curlsmith rinse out leave-in conditioner. I got the bigger bottle. I love this thing. Like when I put it in my hair, it's so soft. So I got another bottle. So I'll be using that to condition the hair as well. Any random conditioner will work too, guys. Let's take the paper off. I love this shampoo. Let me go grab another comb. If I grab another comb and it's still not working, the brush that was added to it will be better when defining the hair. Guys, don't look at me weird. I'm gonna put the mousse. I'm gonna put some conditioner in there and the mousse on it. Actually, maybe I might just go straight in with the mousse. I'm using the dough mousse. I've used it on 3 of it already and it's looking good. I want my hair to, because this is already in twist out, I kind of want the front to match the hair. So I'm kind of twisting the ones I'm gonna put here, twisting it so that it's in that form. And this one, I'm just gonna put the mousse in there and comb it out and let it dry. But the hair is quite long. Like, I'll show you. It looks so short right now, but it's very long. This is how the curls look. Yeah, I'm gonna twist it in. So this is what it looks like when you wash it, and then when you do the whole mousse process, it's different. So the reason why I'm not doing this on my head is because when I put this in to clip it, I don't want to be tugging on it. I'm tender-headed and I don't care if it doesn't hurt, but I don't want to risk it. And you're also more like, it's a comb. It's kind of like a comb. You're more likely to pull your hair out. So if you can clip it on something and work on it, do it. I don't have anything, so I get you a rock. I'll be back when I'm done with this. I'm back. I'm about to get the hair ready for the clip-ins. A little bit conflicted if I should do middle part, or there's one that I saw there's no part and it's just circle. I don't know what to do. This is what the hairs look like. You guys saw it before. It was puffy, but now we've got this. I don't even know where to start this from. Maybe the back. I don't know why I'm hyped. Anyways. I also twisted some of these. Alright, let's take it out and see what it looks like. I could stop here, but we are not stopping here. Actually, I couldn't. What the heck is that? The key is to not look at it. Use your hands and feel things, because when you look at it, well, especially if you're in the mirror, you kind of mess it up, so. Let's see the description of this hair, because I didn't even touch it. If you have jet black hair, I'm jealous of you. This is gonna work so well for you. So this unit from Curlsqueen is a Coarse Kinky Coily Clip-In extension set. And it's 4B4C, like I said, 18 inches. When I was trying to, you know, do the mousse thing, I realized it's quite long. You have that type of hair, you wanna get it, great. But they also have different curl textures on their website. I actually wanted to get like the 4A, but this is what I was given, so I took it and it works great. This is not the first time I'm using it. The first time I used it was a year ago, like I said. And if you go watch the video, I did wash the hair, but I didn't do the whole mousse thing. This time I actually did the mousse thing and I love it. It matches the hair better. Kind of done a twist out with it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Love yourself, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you in another one. Bye. My camera is going to die. Like, why are you so rude? Anyways, I'm going to bed. The makeup ate. I didn't realize I'm so good at makeup. Let me take a picture and send to my sisters. They're like, wow, who is she?